75, that means I can take this about 60 very casually. Like right now, I'm just doing speed limit here because, you know, I'm an older, respectable driver. Now, if I was in the middle of nowhere, yeah, the secret is finding roads that have like a speed limit of 50 miles per hour in corners. Because then you kind of can get away with, you know, speeding on those and have some fun actually. You know? Yeah, later on Sundays, you'll see on this road a lot of sports cars just kind of cruising. I think that's why they fixed the road so much. Well, it needed it so bad. But I definitely think I want to take this car on a track next year. Track day at least. I can only, I mean this, yeah, like this is a true mini go-kart mini. The way this handles, like, oh, on hard corners, oh my god, dreamy, yo. Like Miata people, I mean, Miata people like to slide and drift, you know, but if you want to take a clean corner hard and fast without any body roll, get a GP, man, if you can find one, like, no body roll, zero body roll, just I mean that's like nothing doing that corner, like pure confidence. But I think on ramps are the funnest with this thing at times. It's so easy to go on an on ramp and being like, get down to the highway, next thing you know, you're doing 100 and like, oh, you should go slower. Which, you know, you do have a speed limiter you can set up in this thing too, so it'll cut or warn you when you hit a certain speed limit. So I have it right now set to 120, even though I shouldn't trigger it very often, but I might have hit 120 already once. I mean, it's stable as hell. Gonna be honest though, I do get a kick out of Chargers, the non 8-cylinder ones. Pulling up next to them, they're fun. Okay, now this is about all my driving for today, I think. It's funny, I've been using my in-car Navia lately again. So getting used to that versus, I don't know, CarPlay's not bad, but the way I like to use the control knob, and it just doesn't work so well in Apple CarPlay intuitively, at least. Bloomington Ferry Road, huh? I'll take 169 here. This will be fun. 494. It's funny, minivans, they like to fucking tailgate. Soccer moms, man. Soccer moms. Actually, I need to go right here. So there you go, north. I need to go north here. that's one thing I believe in it is not tailgating. Just give people like, I mean, I could stop on a dime on like anything else out there, but I still don't tailgate people. It's so annoying. It annoys the hell out of me. I don't get the point either, you know. Are you trying to get an accident if there's a emergency stopping situation? I just don't understand the logic behind people that tailgate, especially with shitty cars that barely can move or stop. It's like, maybe your insurance is great, I guess, huh? I have great insurance coverage, I know. God, which way am I going? Oh, that's right, I'm going up to 494 here. This will be a fun on-ramp, too. If I don't get behind some slow-ass SUV or van or economy shitbox. Econobox. I like to actually fuck with people, too, where they start tailgating me and then get next to pass me and I'll just floor it and just get the hell out of here. I'm kind of a douche that way. I'm just giving the people what they want to see, right? I'm just looking for like a GR Corolla to like hang out next to and like fuck around with, you know? Because they're nice cars. And the Type R's. I don't see many of those around either, which I'm amazed. I thought there'd always be more of those around, you know? Yeah, the way it takes those corners is just ridiculous. Oh, there's semi. We're just gonna back off, give a little space, have a little fun. Hey, it's a light out. Dust it out. So I mean, yeah, like the problem, the danger you have is. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's easy to do 100, I tell ya. Like, way easy. Super easy. Oh, they got that exit open now, too. Nice. Kind of cool. Kind of cool like that. have a little punching gun, I like to call it. Oh, it's so fun exit to take if there's any cars in front of me, which they're probably going to be here since these are going south 77, but we'll see. Corners are just so much fun. Like that corner, oh my god, that just feels good turning. Like, yeah, that thing, slow fucker can just corner like no one's business, man. Now, if we just have the exhaust to match the performance, mini OPF filters, fucking environment. Here's the thing, if there's anyone that's, the rich people in their fucking jets are the people that need to like cut back on anything. My little mini compared to that. For carbon emissions, yeah, no comparison. So yes, fun ass car, yo. Like, Jesus, 60 to 100. That it's seconds. It feels like, and I think that was like an AMG we're messing with there on the freeway. But yeah, that was fun. That was fun. I guess I'll find out if my microphone's working on the dash cam. I think it is. It's funny, like, there's this big button on the bottom. I had no idea what it was. I thought it was for emergency recording. Nope, I think it's a big mute button for the microphone, so we'll see if my yammering is caught on video or not. Well, that was fun. I don't think I'm gonna wash my car. It's still. Oh man, see these bumps here? Feel those, man. We're gonna feel them. Oh, look at they got the lights up. Isn't that pretty? I love how fucking much money my area spends on all the landscaping, decorating, and yeah, look at that. I have to go on some winter drives with the mini group here. Well, we went out hooning and didn't get any tickets. Another successful morning drive. I think the key is to go for these drives in the morning versus at night. Or during the day. I feel like you get a little more lax, the cops are a little more lax in the mornings. Ugh. Man, every time